Today's topic is huge, because DJI is reportedly preparing its first true 360 FPV drone. And if the leaks are accurate, this could completely change how we fly, and how we create content. The rumored DJI Avata 360 is expected to launch around March. And in this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far in simple terms. Because this isn't just a small upgrade. This could be the start of a new era for FPV. A camera that changes everything. The biggest highlight is the camera system. According to early leaks, the Avata 360 may feature dual 1/1.1-inch sensors. Bigger sensors mean better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, sharper details, but the real game-changer is the rotating camera module. Reports suggest the camera can switch between full 360-degree spherical capture and a standard forward-facing FPV mode. That means you don't have to choose between a 360 drone and a traditional FPV drone. You get both in one machine. In 360 mode, the drone is expected to record 8K at 60 FPS, giving you full freedom to reframe your shots after the flight. In FPV mode, it could shoot 4K at up to 120 FPS, perfect for high-speed action and smooth slow motion. Instead of worrying about framing during a dive, you just focus on flying. Then you choose the angle later in editing. That completely changes the creative workflow. Compact, safe, and built for control. On the design side, DJI seems to continue its ducted hoop frame, with full prop guards for extra safety. This makes the drone ideal for tight spaces and indoor flying. Leaks also suggest 4-blade propellers instead of 3. 4 blades can improve stability and provide smoother throttle response, which means cleaner cinematic movement and better control. The expected weight is around 370 to 380 grams, though that's not officially confirmed yet. Strong battery and smart features. Battery life is rumored to be between 23 and 25 minutes. For a ducted FPV drone recording 8K, that's impressive. There are also hints of a new fast charging hub, so you spend less time waiting and more time flying. On the intelligent features side, the Avata 360 may include multi-directional obstacle sensing, not just downward sensors, but forward and possibly side detection. Some leaks even mention lidar assistance. If true, this could make it one of the smartest FPV drones DJI has ever built, allowing safer flights in tight environments and more reliable subject tracking. Transmission, goggles, and price. For transmission, the drone is expected to use DJI's O4 system, which should deliver lower latency and a stronger signal. It will likely support DJI Goggles N3 along with the RC controller for a smooth and immersive FPV experience. Now let's talk pricing. Early listings suggest multiple bundles. Drone only, around $400 to $500. Standard combo with controller, $600 to $700. Full bundle with goggles and extra batteries, $800 to $1,000. Prices may vary by region, but if these numbers hold, the value could be very competitive. If the leaks are accurate, the Avata 360 isn't just another FPV drone. It's a hybrid machine that combines aggressive FPV performance with full 360 creative freedom. That means it's not just for FPV pilots. It could also attract filmmakers, content creators, and anyone who wants maximum flexibility in post-production. And if DJI gets this right, this might be the drone that brings 360 flying into the mainstream. Would you buy the Avata 360, or stick with traditional FPV? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more updates on the latest drone leaks and tech, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next big release.